I'm Nicole Wallace, and I'm the Executive Director of RNRF. We're so excited that you're considering RNRF as a potential funding source and are looking forward to reading your proposed work. Whether you're seeking immediate support for short or long-term projects, we're honored to be a part of your journey. Through our new grants program, RNRF hopes to foster collaboration and impactful projects in the field of natural resources. Our program was designed to include cooperation and involvement of our member organizations and bring about community impact. RNRF members organizations represent a wide range of disciplines committed to the field of renewable natural resources. The RNRF Board of Directors is made up of a representative of each organization. You can find more information about each member organization, including their websites, by scrolling down on the homepage of our website, rnrf.org. Our members include the American Geophysical Union, the American Meteorological Society, the American Society of Civil Engineers, the American Society of Landscape Architects Fund, the American Water Resources Association, and the Society of Environmental Toxicology and Chemistry. Now I'm going to talk a little bit about our different grants. Our rapid response grants offer short-term funding to organizations that have recently experienced early termination of federal funding on or after January 1st, 2025. These grants are intended to support projects directly impacted by the loss of funding. Grant funds may be used to fill critical gaps, complete essential components, or responsibly close out projects that lost funding. Grants are up to $50,000, and all projects must be completed within 12 months of signing the contract. You do not need to be the prime awardee, sub-awardee, or contractors are also eligible to apply. Applicants will need to provide documentation showing proof of their early termination. The focus areas and guiding principles reflect shared missions of RNRF and its member organizations. To learn more about these areas, please refer to the RFP and the short grant program overview video. Applicants should clearly describe how their projects align with these areas in the application. To apply, your organization must be a 501c3 organization that is incorporated in the United States. Your project must fit into one or more focus areas and clearly align with one or more guiding principles. This is how we ensure that the work we fund reflects the mission of RNRF and its member organizations. As I mentioned previously, the project must have recently experienced early termination of federal funding. Your project must be a multidisciplinary collaborative effort. The lead applicant, or at least one partner or collaborator, must be a member of one of our RNRF member organizations. The completed application must be submitted online on or before our deadline. Late applications will not be accepted. Applications are due September 30th, 2025 at 11:59 p.m. Central Daylight Time. We strongly encourage you to submit your application well before the deadline in case you run into any technical issues. While we want to provide as much assistance as possible, we may not be able to provide timely assistance with problems that occur in the final days of the deadline, before the deadline. We will announce our grantees in December. You can access the online application through the RNRF website. The first step is to register your organization in our grant portal. This is required before you can begin or submit an application. For guidance, we've created a short video showing how to navigate the application process, and you can watch that video on our website. Please refer to the RFP for the complete list of required documents. These documents include your IRS determination letter, proof of membership in an RNRF member organization. If you have already identified a partner or collaborator, please include the letter of intent from identified collaborators or partners. This is not required at the time of application, but building in collaborations is required as a part of your project. A bio sketch or resume for key personnel, your project timeline, and then in addition to all of that, we do require that you upload a copy of your funding termination notice, a copy of your original notice of award or grant contract. And you may also upload any supplemental materials that you believe will strengthen your proposal. There are several activities and projects that our grants program will not fund. RNRF will not fund lobbying or political activities, scholarships, support, or fundraising. Well, thank you for taking the time to learn about the RNRF grant program. If you have any questions, we request that you email us at grants@rnrf.org.